In this subscriber review, I'm going to be showing you guys if you can really make YouTube script using the power of AI and make it go viral. So make sure you stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if subscriber is worth your time. I'm also going to be showing you a detailed tutorial on the subscriber tool later in the video, but now let's go to the AppSumo page. So some of the alternatives that they have said is TubeBuddy and vidIQ. So I would like to tell you guys that it's actually not an alternative because subscriber is actually, it creates YouTube script, but TubeBuddy and vidIQ will help you with the keyword research and so on. So it's actually a little bit different, but they are in the same industry and it's best for content creators, marketers, and YouTubers. You can do integration with YouTube, which I'm going to show you later in the video. And also, you can create content that's up to 60 minutes long, which is about 9,600 words. You can boost viewer retention, reference research sources, and so on. You can analyze top channels, videos, topics. You can uncover new opportunities, find out why certain videos go viral, and you can create powerful hooks, and you can analyze your channel's unique style and audience. You can crack out client ready content and so on. So you have got all these amazing features which all I'm going to show you. And one thing I didn't tell you guys is that the reviews on subscriber is actually pretty good, because this is like a very new tool and it has got a lot of features and it has got up to 51 reviews, so it's great. So this is why which you should kind of like look into this. And you have like 4 licensed here, I think. Okay, you have up to 7 licensed here. And if it were me, I would have gone for the license 2 one, because the license tier 1, it just gives you like 200 ideal chat generation, which is really low. And the script writing credit is not even there, so I think it's not worth your time taking the license tier 1. But if you go with the license tier 2, which is $119, you get like lifetime access, you get unlimited ideal chat generation, and you get like 20 credits per month. So guys, remember that 1600 words, it's equal to like 5 credits, so that means 1600 words is around 10 minutes, so that will take about like 5 credits. So you could be making 4 videos every single month with the licensed tier 2 plan. So it's actually up to you based on the type of content you're making, based on what you're doing. You can go up with the licensed tier, but it's all up to you. Now let's go to the dashboard of subscribers. So this is how the subscriber dashboard looks like, and let me show you how you can connect your YouTube channel. So let me add my channel. So let me go to my channel. So this is my channel. So what you have to do is you have to copy this. You don't have to take the @ let's copy and let's copy paste. Okay, now so it's done. So it has generally like created me like what's the channel about. So my channel is an online aspiring online entrepreneur. This channel appeals to aspiring online entrepreneurs and individuals looking to make extra income through internet marketing. They're likely drawn to the channel for its honest reviews and practical advice on various online tools and platforms. This audience value transparency and seek to avoid scams, making the channel focus on evaluating the legitimacy of products. So this is exactly what my channel is. My channel is about making these reviews so you don't get end up being on a scam. So that's how my channel works. And my demographic is shown here, and my offline behaviors and my online behaviors, and some of the questions is also there. So these are some of the questions which I could potentially add to my new videos. So these are like ideas which are being like created by this tool over here. Now let's have a look at the script. So this is where the main part of subscriber works. So this is what everyone is looking. So let's create a script and see. how to make money with affiliate marketing. So that's my video topic and my format. I'm going to keep it educational, and the length of the video, let's say it takes 5 credits, so I'm going to go with 1300. And the video title, okay, it's optional, I'll do it later. And this is what my channel looks like. I've shown this, and my number of script is 1, English, voice. Okay, so let's create the script. So let's start the research. Before that, it's educational. It just shows you the summary of what they're going to do. So this is my topic also. Let's start the research. Okay, they want me to like put in additional links which I could provide them info on, but I'm not going to do that. Let me just frame it now. So they have made the script. So this is like some of the ideas that they have come up with. So I really like this unique angle. In this complete affiliate marketing guide, I will show you the exact 5-step system I used to go from $0 to $5,000 monthly passive income without a website or big following. So that's actually kind of good. So I'm going to keep this as my frame. I really like this. And also this one is, today I'm revealing the 3 affiliate marketing method that actually work in 2023 and 2 popular strategies you should complete. Alright, okay, that's good. But then I'm going to keep this one because I like this one. Now let's go and generate. And also guys, anytime during this video, if you want to check a subscriber, you can click the first link in the description. It's going to give you a 10% off if you're actually a new user on AppSumo. So if you want to get it, make sure you click the first link in the description. So now let's go to title. So let's see, from $0 to $5,000 monthly, the biggest affiliate marketing mistake, the hidden secrets of high paying program, earn commission without a website, make money with just email, affiliate market, success. So let's go from $0 to $5,000 per month as the title for the video. Let's go for the thumbnail now. The thumbnail has generated, and let me see, I'll go with this one. I'll use this as my thumbnail. Now let's go down and let's go to the hook. So let's have a look at the hook. So did you know that 87% of beginner affiliate marketers fail because they are making the same critical mistake? Let's go with this hook. I think that's kind of nice. And let's go with the payoffs. Guys, just read the script. It's actually like pretty good. It sounds really human like. It doesn't sound AI generated at all. I'm going to point out the key points. So let's go with this, maybe this, and this one as well. So I've clicked on 3. Let's go to the draft. So I'm going to generate the outline and the draft. Let's go. So based on the inputs, they have generated me the draft of what my video is. So they have given me an introduction. Did you know that 87% of the beginner affiliate marketing fail because they are making the 3 critical mistakes? I spent over $4,000 on useless courses before figuring out actually what works in 2023. So this is actually like a good way that they bought in. So they discuss the problem, they discuss the 5-step affiliate marketing system, and they also did say about the $0 to $5,000 monthly, and also the conclusion. So it looks kind of good. This is the plan. You could actually plan it out. If you want, you can put in some data. You can also do some research on this. So that's basically it. And if you want to edit, you can edit the script as well. So that's basically it. And also the cool thing about this software is that you can get free feedback for the script that is being generated by a subscriber. So subscriber itself does that, and they'll find these mistake, and what they do is they correct these mistake as well. So that's an excellent feature that have that I think subscriber bought in. So let me just show you how the feedback works. So the original word count is this, rewritten word count is that. So I'm going to just apply all the edits. So there are some errors that subscriber has found. You can go through them. You can go through these errors. What I'm going to do is I'm going to apply all the edits, and it will just rewrite all the mistakes, and they will just correct all the mistake that happened in the script. So there you go, that's my script for my YouTube video. It's a simple process. You could be doing this like really easy. So I've made my script. So that's how the scripting part of subscriber works. So that's the main feature. Now let's go to audience, which I've already actually shown you. So it just shows you your demographics and all the video ideas for your new videos. Then you have the voice. You can add a new voice if you want. You can add your voice name, and you can just import transfer from your YouTube channel, and you can do a voice. And also you can be doing research, the starred research, which you can be doing. And also you have the settings which you can go through. You can see what your audience is about and all of that. You can edit all of this if you want. If you want up to 60 minutes, you can go for it. But I think for most people the 10-minute mark is more than enough. And now let's go to the dashboard, and this is like one of the features that people use. You can use the ideation chart. You can analyze the competitors. So that's an excellent feature by subscribers. So you can type in the YouTube channel name, and they will tell you in detail what the channel is about. So let me see what the ideation chat is going to give me. So it's basically like ChatGPT itself, but it gives you data on the channel as well. So this is something you could be potentially looking into. So it has generated, so they have dominant content format, AI product reviews, their key formatting trends. Their video length is usually 6 to 15 minutes. They also show the top performing videos of your competitors, which is actually great. You have successful sub formats. You have recommendations that they are going to give you. You have all of that. They basically give you a little bit advice here and there. But for most people, I don't think it's a very valuable feature, but I think it's good for beginners. Let me go back, and you can also do research on the videos. So just as I shown in this, you just have to paste any YouTube video. They're going to break down everything. Like, if you want to see Mr. Beast video, just copy paste here, and they will break down how he made the content. He'll do all that. It will do all that. Then you can generate titles if you want. If you want to create like high CTR video title, this ideation chat will help you. You can get video ideas as well. You can ask it for like 10 new topics about your channel, and it will create you these titles for your new videos. So that's all the features that you could be getting in subscribers. And also you have the chat with the ideation chat, which you can do here. You can ask basically anything about YouTube, and ideation chat will basically answer all the questions. If you want to create script as well, you can go ahead and tell it in the chat section. So that's basically it for this video of subscriber. If you love this video, make sure you like and subscribe. And also, if you want this tool, make sure you click the first link in the description. You're going to be getting a 10% discount on it. So that's it, and I hope to see you on another review video. Take care.